In this video, we're going to look into how to transfer Google Play balance to PayPal. So if you're looking to transfer your balance to your PayPal account, unfortunately, there is no official method to directly transfer the Google Pay balance to your PayPal because Google restricts how its Play credit can be used. It's mostly for in-app purchases, for apps and games purchase and subscriptions. Okay. So what I can suggest is some other alternate methods which you can try, might work for some and might not. So what you can do is you can try to use the balance to purchase in-app purchases. So for example, you can use your Google Play balance on apps like Sweatcoins. So for example, like in Sweatcoin, where you can use your balance for the in-app purchases, and you can get the payout via PayPal. You have like Sweatcoin or Mistplay. These type of apps you can try, might work for some people. So where you can cash out through the PayPal later on. Okay. And apart from that, what you can also always do is that if you go to like any sites like Reddit, so first what you can do firstly is just like go to your Play Store. Okay, go to your Play Store and you can buy a Google Play gift card using your Google Play balance. And once you've bought your gift card, then you can generate a code, okay, and list it for sale on some reputable like gift card exchange platforms. Even you can also use like Reddit or like gift card exchange or Gameflip, these types of sites where you can list it and then you can exchange it and you can like resell it over there, and you can get paid in like PayPal. So you can get it paid for in PayPal. So in that way you'll be able to transfer balance from your Google Pay balance to your PayPal through the gift card and or through these third party sites here, resale portals here. So these are the options we have at this moment, as there is no direct ways of doing it.